Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, you will learn that how we can create this beautiful earth moon by using diffuse map and displacement map in node editor. And also you will learn that how we can create this star-like environment behind this moon to create this beautiful image of the earth moon. So let's start. First I open Blender, select the default cube and delete it. Press Shift A to add a UV sphere and make it shade smooth. Now I enter into the shading and here I add some nodes. So click this and here I add image texture and I open the image which I download diffuse moon map and displacement moon map from NASA website. Here I open diffuse, nice, and collect this with the base color. You can see that the diffuse moon map is applied to this UV sphere. Now select this and press Ctrl T to add a mapping and texture coordinate. This will only be possible if you enable the node wrangler add-on in preferences. Now select these three nodes and press Shift D to duplicate and move somewhat below these nodes. And here I delete this diffused and here I open the displacement map and set this color space to non-color and I add another node. For that press Shift A and search the displacement node and I place it somewhat here and connect this with the height of the displacement, and finally I connect the output of the displacement with the input of the material output, and here you can see our moon textures and displacement are applied. Now enter into the material rendered view and here I add some star-like environment to this scene. For that, in word properties I open and select the environment textures and here I open the downloaded star type environment and here you can see. Now it's time to add a proper light to this moon to see these textures. For that I select my light and I convert this light into the area light and move this light something like here and also rotate it. Nice. So in this way you can easily create the earth moon by applying displacement map and diffuse map. Thanks for watching.